food. So many of you most probably have seen Eva's presentation yesterday at the university about Khaita and also our dances performance, and this is part of Khaita project, which is a collection of Tibetan songs and dances by Choegyal Rinpoche that many of you probably know as a Dzogchen master and as a Tibetan scholar.
Tanda Khaita lesion di matu kalsang
Eva.
Yeah, Eva kalsang desi di jasong. Tena le pachi mamong bodi ke desi koi jere. Tena le chuje nam ki norbogi poki lojitang shatogi kola. Ini di chaptun dan nyata da keto she tikor ke leji chim tikor ke leji na so leji te ta ti ka tong chue
So. And for the start, we leave the words to Rinpoche. The sound is not very loud, so we ask you please try to decide.
Tanda de Khaita motrichiala, chujinam kinor Rinpoche kongsangi dala motrichi dangu, and korang sangla motrichi chibi, and any tamagi is kakasumi darona, jadi shida yahom, tom rula.
Tibetan language is very important in this world. We have a collection of the old teachings of Buddha, Kanju and Tenju. Its origin is India, but in India there does not exist this. So we lose Tibetan language, lose all this. For that reason I prepared, then I chose between all exercise of songs. First I chose 108 Tibetan songs. We have already this in transcription for Westerners and also translations. One side is something also for Tibetan culture continue alive. Another reason is also when we are Dzogchen practice. You remember how I explained after contemplation, very important is being present. Being present with our physical body, movements, energy, etc. Dance is very, very good for training that.
So from 2011 till his very last days, Choegyal Rinpoche has been collecting modern Tibetan songs and personally transcribing the lyrics of the songs in Tibetan, in Drejor phonetic transcription, so that also those who do not read Tibetan can appreciate the lyrics.
Nitong Chechini Rinpoche ani jitsuta deso duni dudikchini nitong Chechini deduchida ba. Deso ini mara yutula papa matselini dabjerji ami janda pe inji poi machine de togram so ya dabjer kala khani lotri tena Rinpoche tena jitsutan tapas.
He would select the songs with the meaningful lyrics that in one or other way would support Tibetan culture.
Any ji yang ji nangdon tangsa moyojo, nangdon la kuachen moyojo, tenda changchang dodichiwa, lapar de poki region la kasa, la xiangxie xiangxie shixie zhupiwa, tenda ge ji changchang dodichiwa.
And then Rinpoche would introduce songs to us, his students, and we would be singing together. For many years, we would be singing every day.
Ani Rinpoche ngatsu kungi sortu nambala jite so lejite so mochuchigi wal mochuchini ngatu kanga nyamdu jitangi wa esa jitangi nyamdu tenda nyamdu ta jite so nyamdu tangni tenda ji lomong poda ngatu tenda ti tenda nyamni chi ba esa.
And then the singing would be followed by the dance.
Ani tang jitang ni jitang jadi jila ani shatu tapu esa.
So first we started dancing Tibetan circle dances from the music videos, and then we also created our own choreographies based on the songs, trying to express the meaning of the songs with the movements and gestures of the dance.
Ani ngatsu di nyan la tini ni bogi koto ge thapang da te ladu chini koto thapare tenda chini ngatsu shapun thapare es. Ani ngara rang susu ge satu chini jigi nangdun da lusuk nangdun da te chun thbiya yang kasa shaptu thapang te chu satu chini tenda ngatsu rang susu ge tang te chu satin chi pare es. Tenda chini yang ngatsu
And then we would have this singing and dancing activity daily around the world. You saw that our dancing team is very international.
Ini nggak jitang satunya tapi waktu itu kan jadi namun kasakarlah dia ciri wari, jema tapar dia ciri wari di kasang jangan su musir, apa orang sini.
So over the years, Choegyal Rinpoche collected almost 400 songs.
Choegyal Rinpoche kita lo membuatlah hasil lusi jibja daudi duti ciwa.
So the first collection, called Message from Tibet, 108 songs, has been published as a book.
And that tambo lusi duti ciwa 다 칼사 거라 본니 용해야 그 천라고 본니 용해야 그 천다 네 니나로라 시 자다 제이스 네 파튼 tambochi 봐.
And then also when we are singing, Choegyal Rinpoche would also explain us the meaning of the songs and comment on various aspects of Tibetan language, culture and history.
아니 가좀 시당도 강라 시당 가추 시당도 주제 남긴 노보게 아니 지기 지축기 다디 루축기 남동 카리엔바 아니 데포기 리종다 다촌 담다라 데로이 데콜라 콘상기 가사 송신한 거예요.
So we have all this whole series of Rinpoche's explanations that we call Khaita commentaries, and for example his commentaries on 108 songs were published as a separate book of commentaries.
다 공성계의 지식다 대략으로라 송신남주 대지압주 대초양 냠도 빠진지니 지자들 제가 말했는데 단대시 지압주 송신남주 대초강가 가가진다는 빠진지.
And then all the 400 songs, almost 250 dances, and some of Rinpoche's commentaries are available online, and you can access it easily from your mobile phone.
다들 지도 같이 지지자다 아니 샤프로 지지자다 나중에도 대초 강가 자토라 요아레 냐름라 요아레 아니 카운소 제트 그래서.
So easykaito.com, otherwise please get the card and scan the QR code.
대단다 다른 그 다때 easy.com 가서 카이트.com 같은거 아니 이제 내가 카운소 질란데니 단단한 손디 쇼샹기 강라
Yes, so we have 108 songs, Message from Tibet collection, but some like Connecting Bridge second collection, and the main is called Bricaire, and the name is connected to the principle of Tibetan astrology that Choegyal Rinpoche used for calculating the Tibetan history from the origins of the Shang Shung kingdom. So it has this symbolic connection with his work on Tibetan history.
아니 대소 강가가 네강가 거기 따뜻하다 보인다 네강가 강가냥도 저기 원래 거기 내가 이제 대소 강가에 원래 사단단단 아주디 지자는 제대 내려와 샤트로다 대소 강가 내려와 아니 내 미코소 데라 저기 원래 그가 좀 포기 포기 지가 좀 내려와 지가 좀 대응만 그 가게 가려고 다 샹숑기 샹숑그 좀 대소들 강가다 반들라지 내려와 가서
And then, just to finish, a quick overview of what are the themes of these songs. Of course, they talk about Tibet, about Tibetan culture, history, language is the big topic, spiritual teachings and teaching holders, sacred places you can explore after by yourself. And I wanted to give you an example. So you can research this collection, it's still in a test mode, but you can see songs by topics. I wanted just to show you one song to give you an example. So you come to the page of the song, and here you would have Tibetan video of the song itself. Here you would have the text in Tibetan, in Rajor phonetic transcription and translation. Almost for all the songs. So you can choose, for example, you can also read only, for example, in Tibetan, you can choose the modality, how you sing it, you can put the music on and then You can see the lyrics. And here we have the dance. And in some cases, we also have Rinpoche's explanations about the song. It is still work in progress. We're still in the process of editing Rinpoche's commentaries and publishing them. Yeah. Back here. I think here. Yeah. My favorite. Drinking songs. So, and just to finish with 30 seconds of example of the kind of explanation that Choegyal Rinpoche would give us. So here he's talking about this specific song.
Machekon is in the East Tibet, the most important mountain is Annyeonghasen. Also, the Annyeonghasen is the seat of the guardian. Annyeonghasen, there exists guardian, it is called Annyeonghasen. We have rites, prayers, and many things. Annyeonghasen is considered very important, also sacred place.
So just a very quick example that taking the song as the base, then Rinpoche would really So thank you for bearing these 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. We just wanted to show you that we have this text here, we have this work here, and we hope this is of interest for you. Thank you.